Bluey stood at the edge of the park frozen. Bingo pointed at the ground wide-eyed. A glowing crack spread across the dirt fast. Could the earth be opening? Bandit pulled Chilli back quick. Muffin screamed, "It's alive!" Rusty held Indy's arm tight. Could something crawl out? The crack burst wide with fire blazing. From below a shadow rose massive tall. Socks barked fiercely, not backing down. Could it be a monster? A giant stone beast roared, shaking trees strong. Its eyes burned orange like molten rock hot. Bluey clenched her paws, determined, brave. Could they fight this? The beast stomped forward, splitting the ground sharp. Bingo leapt aside, clutching her balloon high. Indy shouted, "Keep moving fast." Could they trap it? Bandit grabbed a rope from the shed quick. Rusty tied knots fast and steady, bold. Muffin threw sticks to distract its eyes wild. Could teamwork save them? Bluey ran circles around the beast swift. Her shouts echoed louder and louder, fierce. The creature's head turned slowly, confused. Could she outsmart it? Suddenly the balloon in Bingo's hand glowed bright. Sparks burst out like tiny stars raining. The monster froze in shock, roaring hard. Could the balloon hold magic? Chilli screamed, "Tie it now, hurry!" Bandit and Rusty lunged, throwing the rope tight. The beast thrashed, but the glow grew stronger, bright. Could this be the end? The rope tightened, pulling the monster down low. Bluey shouted, "Push together now!" Bingo slammed the balloon onto its chest, glowing huge. Could they seal it? With a deafening roar, the beast crumbled stone by stone. Dust filled the air before vanishing fast. Everyone gasped in relief, exhausted, safe. Could peace return? From the rubble a crystal shimmered clear. Bluey lifted it carefully, smiling, proud. Indy whispered, "It's a key to another world." Could more dangers await? Bandit hugged everyone close, grateful, strong. He whispered, "This isn't the end, only the start." Bluey's eyes shone with courage, unbreakable, bright. Could their next step be even wilder? And if you're ready to step into the unknown with them, hit like, smash subscribe, and follow the journey beyond the crack.